Okay, now we're going to apply pagination to the manuscript. And the first thing we're going to do, click on the page layout tab. If you're on home, click on the page layout tab, click on margins and custom margins to bring this box up, and then click on the layout tab. We're going to leave the section start at new page. On headers and footers, need to make sure that both different odd and even and different first page are selected. Make sure that the distance from the edge is greater than your minimum margin from your printer, and then click on OK. So the title page we don't want anything on. The copyright page, even though these pages are numbered, we don't want to display the numbers on them. And we don't want to display the page number on the dedication either. As you can see from the crib sheet from the last lecture, the dedication is a display page, which means we don't show headers, footers or the page number, the folio. So going back to the manuscript, the page after is a blank folio, but the contents page we want to show the page number on. So first of all, I'm going to use drop folios, which means I'm going to have my page numbers at the bottom of the page. But if I just add the page number here, for instance, if I were to just add the page number to the bottom of the page, say put it in the middle, it's going to put a Roman numeral 5, and it's also going to put the page numbers on all the other pages, which I don't want. So we'll just undo that first of all. So what I need to do is where it says same as previous, I need to change that so that what I do from here on doesn't affect what we've done previously. So click on the link to previous, and now it doesn't say same as previous anymore, so I can safely put a page number in. So again, I'm going to put the page number in the middle, and you can see it's then taken that numbering onward, but it hasn't put it on the earlier pages. Now I don't want a Roman numeral at this point, so if I click on edit field and then select the Roman numeral option, you can use lowercase or uppercase. Tend to use lowercase, but that's a choice for you to make. As you can see, because I've got another blank section, I'm not having to worry about removing the page numbers from a blind folio. All I need to do for the page numbering at this point is go to the next section, click on same as previous again, unlink, and then again edit the field, go back to Roman numerals, so I'm going to select the number, right click and click on format page numbers, make sure that I have the Roman numerals selected and start at page 1. I now have all my odd numbers in, so I need to add even numbers. Now again, I need to make sure that when I put the even numbers on, it doesn't put them at the front of the document where I don't want them. So making sure that I'm in the right place, click on link to previous again so that we know we're only dealing from here on in, and insert the page number. And now we have all the even numbers. So we can go right to the end. My About the Author page is back matter. So although it has a page number, I actually don't want it to continue with the Roman numerals. I want it to have Arabic numerals. So again, I'm going to unlink from the previous, and make sure I'm in the footer first, unlink from the previous, format page numbers, switch back to the Arabic, and okay, let's actually switch back to the Arabic. But I need to know which number to start at, because obviously I don't want to start at 1. And my last Arabic page number in the front matter was actually 6, so I need the first page number in my back matter to be an Arabic number 7, which for some reason doesn't want to play, but okay, I had to stop the video there just to have a word with word. If you have the same kind of trouble switching between Roman and Arabic numbers, don't use the format page numbers to make the switch. Go back to the edit field and do it from there. And if you make the change there, it will do what you want. Whereas if you use the format page numbers, it doesn't always. Don't know why. It's just one of the quirks of Word. So if you find you're having trouble switching between Roman and Arabic, use the edit field rather than the format page numbers. And that's the page numbers dealt with.